through Kantaraju Ayoga has not able to serve the survey in a scientifically manner or scientifical approach. See, all we are telling here is whichever community, whichever religion the person is born, whichever village the person is born, ultimately who is not having good quality education or employment, so that you can empower each and every Kannadiga or each and every Indian through this. This is why the survey has to be done, because to serve the socio-economic justice. But now what has happened is this caste census, as we all know, according to the act, caste census can only be achieved legally or gotten done through, it is only from the central government. This is under the constitution in the writing clearly. So caste census, state government cannot do anything much about the caste census. They can only do the socio-economic survey, which they are restricted to. But unfortunately, in getting the socio-economic survey also, they have completely failed. Today's Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah ji, who is in his second tenure, when he was in first tenure in 2015, they started this Ayoga. Through this, Kantaraju served 5 years. Then came Hegde, Jaiprakash Hegde. Once Jaiprakash Hegde has come, he stated that that 5-year survey which had taken place, everything was sealed. In the government seal, it was kept in the cover. But the cover and the seal, has it been misplaced? The documents the mother did, which is supposed to remain, Jaiprakash Hegde in 2029-26, 8th month, he writes a letter to backward community and minority minister and chief minister himself. He says the mother document itself is missing. Then the 5-year extension period what he had to serve, Jaiprakash Hegde was given 2 months extension from Siddaramaiah in the recent days, just so that he can get whatever numbers he wanted to in the survey. In 60 days, is it humanly possible to get the survey done? How much manpower you need? How many skilled manpower you need? When you cannot achieve it in good 8-9 years down the line, in 60 days can you achieve this? Is it practical? Is it close to reality? But today what has happened is, since Siddaramaiah ji visited Delhi, I am sure he sat with Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi has clearly stated that he wants to do caste census all around the country, in all the states, in the whole of the country. That is their mandate. But see, I'll tell you one thing, whatever reporting has to be done, it has to be practically, you have to go in a scientific approach. But transparency, nothing is seen here. They are only doing this so that it is a big organized political conspiracy which has taken place. I have to clearly state that. Nothing else.